Hello everyone, I'm Surabhi. Welcome to my channel. Today's busy book is for my 7-year-old. We are covering these all topics in this busy book. So let's start with the first question. So time, half an hour is equal to 30 minutes. 2 hours is equal to 60 plus 60, 120 minutes. 3 hour minus 20 minutes. So 3 hours is equal to how many minutes? 60 into 3. 180 minus 20 minutes. So these two questions are simple, but this is where I am doing a multiplication and then a big subtraction and see does she really get the concept or not. But it's okay. The intention is how much concept she got of hour in minutes and can she use it in calculation. Arrange the fractions from smallest to biggest. So again, we have I have explained the concept of fractions to her, whatever way I wanted to teach her. Again, I'm expecting her to can she think like one of 3 parts is more or one of 9 parts is more? So one of 3 parts is bigger, right? So that's what I wanted to see, that if my denominator is changing and numerator is same, can she arrange smallest to biggest? Um, this might be advanced for her, I'm not denying the fact, but again, when you learn a concept of fraction, you should be really able to visualize. In my understanding, a child should be able to visualize what I'm talking about rather than formula or something. When I'm talking about one of 3 parts and one of 12 parts, if I divide a pizza into 3 parts and I give you one part of it, or if I divide a pizza in 12 parts and give you one part of it, which part will be bigger? So that she will to visualize with the pizza and dividing into 3 parts, and on that basis only I want her to arrange which is the smallest part, which is the biggest part, and then figure it out, like how she would like to arrange it. So that is what is the concept here. This is basic addition question. We did these questions last year also. They were 2-digit numbers, very simple. This time it's complicated. Like the concept is the same. The last, the 2 boxes below, the sum of them will be our box. 70 plus 74 became 144. 178 plus 182 became 360. She has to add 74 plus 178. That's it. It's very simple. If she can do addition, simple as that. This has subtraction as well as division. Tan has 23 apples. 3 are rotten, so it means there are 20 apples left. Rest are distributing among 4 kids. So 20 are distributed among 4 kids. How many apples do each find? So it's 20 divided by 4. Again, practicing simple division using skip counting. I kept the number as 4 and 5 because they're easy to calculate. So I just want her to focus on the concept visually, that if she has 20 apples and divide among 4 kids, how will she make grouping and all. So very basic division I want to see using skip counting. You wake up at, it's a time elapsed question. If you wake up at 7:20 a.m., you take 20 minutes for breakfast, you take swimming for 15 minutes. What time did we start school? So this is our usual school routine, but we take much more time for this. But here the concept is I want her to see adding the minutes. So 7:40 plus 7:55. So she started school at 7:55 a.m. So it's a basic minute addition, just getting her comfortable with the time concept. I could have confused it with 30 minutes here, so she has to move up after 8 o'clock, but I still kept it simple. So after she gets the concept, maybe I can do 7:40 plus 25 minutes, so that she has to go to 8:05. But I still kept it the basic level, that let's do basic addition. But you get the concept, right? That's I'm trying to make her understand, that how 60 minutes ke upar you go, then it becomes 0, and then you go to 8:05. That's what we are trying to do here, but in a basic one. Number bonds means I have used very very big numbers here, and it's 684 minus 53. So all, if she want to do in mind, it'll be hard for her. I really want her to ask me that can I do vertically on paper, but she's someone who does not like to use pen and pencil at all. She want to do things in mind, so I appreciate that she's able to do it. But again, when it goes to bigger numbers, 3 or 4 digit numbers, I think she has to learn the way of vertical also. But I'm just trying to see, can she do in mentally the subtraction. So that's the intention. This is simple, it's 4 minus 3, but here the intention is 35 minus 26. So basically 5 minus 6. So can she do it? Logically it will be easy for me. I just do 35 minus 26, which is equal to 9. So 409. But I'll see if she can do it. It's my mental level. I don't know how much she's comfortable with mental maths here. Again, this is division and then addition. So your rope is 24-meter long. It is divided 4 equal pieces. Again, do skip counting by 4. You need 6 meter of each. But what is the length of 3 pieces? So 6 plus 6 plus 6. So basically 18. So you are doing division as well as multiplication both here. This is a multiply kind of question. So I say that I have a pail of water. It can be divided into 4 ones. So one pail was divided into, so each of these small bottles have 1 liter of water. So if I say 4 pails, how many liter of water? So it's 4 into 4, 16. It's easy for me, but can she comprehend this question? We will see. So we are doing multiplication. Again, understanding the pictorial representation of a question. Weight concept, because we don't understand weight much yet, except what is your weight, that's it, because we don't buy vegetables by weight here. So that's what we are going to try more and more weight questions, that if a heart has a weight of 4 kg, a square has a weight of 500 grams, and a star has a weight of 1000 kilograms. So which is the lightest? So obviously lightest is 500 grams. But again, 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. She still gets confused that kg is bigger, gram is bigger. They're talking about meter and centimeter conversion, because we don't use these practical things in life, right? They had the ruler, but they never bothered to measure the height or something like that. So we are still working on the concept that 1 kilogram means 1000. So kilogram is 1000 gram. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. All those concepts we are talking about. So just see, does she get confused with kg, gram and kg and numbers, and just find out what is lightest, what is heaviest. Looks very basic, but it will be hard for my daughter because they have never dealt with grams and kilograms in real life. So that's all. It's a busy book for my 7-year-old. Hope you enjoyed it.